Hello student, my name is Varsha Google. Today we are going to study about the use of nouns. It is related to the topic possessive. Hello students, today we are going to study about the possessive apostrophe yes. Now when we use apostrophe yes, we often use the possessive apostrophe yes with a personal noun to show possession, relationship or the place where one use or verb. Now let's see what is given in this exercise. Now this exercise is given in lesson number 2. Okay, the name of the lesson is the use of nouns. Now in this exercise, okay, now this exercise is also given on page number 15. And this is the third exercise. Now what is given in the third exercise? Let's see. The use the words in bracket to write the answer. Okay. Now see that the first example, here is given all questions. Okay. And we have to write their answer. Now the words is given in the bracket. And we have to use these words to write the answer. Now students, let's start from the first question. What is the first question? Where is Nina? Now in the bracket, the word is given baker. Okay. So we can write there, where is the Nina? That means it indicates place. Okay. So we have to use here apostrophe yes. The answer is that at the bakers. Okay. So that baker, that means we use here apostrophe yes. It indicates place. Now see that second example. What is given in the second example? Whose pen is this? And in bracket the word is given Nina. So how can you write answer? By using apostrophe yes. See that whose pen is this? That means who is the owner of this pen? It indicates that we use apostrophe s for the ownership. Okay. See that whose pen is this? And in bracket is given Nina. That means now it's Nina's pen. Okay, we can write that is Nina's pen. Then third example, where is your dad? Okay, so place is indicated here. Where is your dad? And in bracket there is given dentist. It shows place. So we can write this answer in this way, at the dentist. We are using here apostrophe yes. Why? Because here is also indicate place. We know that when we use apostrophe yes, we use apostrophe yes for it also to show the place or word. Okay. Now see that fourth example. The fourth example is whose clinic is this? And in bracket is given Dr. Kumar. Okay. So whose clinic is this? In general, if you ask this question, whose clinic is this? We are telling that other's name. But in this example, there is written one word, Dr. Kumar. So how can you write this answer? Dr. Kumar. Okay. So who is the owner of this clinic? Dr. Kumar is the owner of the clinic. That means we are writing here Dr. Kumar. We are using here apostrophe yes. Okay. Now let's see next example. Fifth example. Where are you going? That means we want to know the place. Okay. So in the bracket there is your grocer. The place is given grocer. So how can you write this answer? In the possessive form, look at here to the grocer. We are using here apostrophe yes. It indicates the place. That's why we are using here apostrophe yes. Now let's see. We are taking the next example. The next example is that where is she staying? Okay. We should know that place. Staying. So in the bracket there is given grandma. So here is given place. Grandma's place. Okay. So when you write this answer, we should also start with at her grandma's. Okay, we are using here apostrophe yes, because now we want to know their place. Okay, then we use here apostrophe yes. Now next example, where can I get some red roses? Okay, so we want to know that place where we can take the red roses. Now in the bracket there is written florist. Where we will get these flowers? Okay, at the florist. So we want to write this answer in this way, at the florist. Okay, apostrophe yes. So it indicates that place. Now, at example, where did you buy that toothpaste? Okay, the question is that where did you buy that toothpaste? And in bracket there is using chemist. Okay, now here is given the word chemist. So the eighth question is that where did you buy that toothpaste? And in the bracket there is written chemist. So we also know that place. The chemist is given. So how can we write this answer? We want to write this answer in this way: at the chemist. Chemist indicates that place. It's a shop. Okay, chemist. So we are using an apostrophe yes. Okay. So in this way you can understand that when we use apostrophe yes. Okay, in the possessive form. Possessive means here apostrophe yes. And we know that when we use apostrophe yes, we use apostrophe yes for the possessive. Okay, it's also, it indicates ownership, or it is also used the place where one lives or work. So through this exercise, so that you understood this exercise very well. Thank you.